Did you notice the current sentiment score for innovation? At plus 0.81, it's notably higher than our historical baseline, indicating a strong positive shift in how innovation is perceived right now. This spike is unusual, especially considering the momentum is flat at plus 0.00, suggesting that while sentiment is surging, there's no accompanying increase in activity. You'll receive a comprehensive analysis from our API that includes the sentiment score, momentum data, and insights across 19 semantic clusters. Imagine leveraging this to refine your product development strategy by identifying which innovation themes are resonating most with your audience. To dive deeper and access our documentation, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn these insights into actionable strategies.